celebration of Udgam has started.
I am enjoying my dance practice.
I am also participating in dance. Sir is teaching us very well.
What are you guys doing?
Didi, we are playing with this waste material.
This is not waste.
Ha ha ha. So Didi, what else is it?
You know, we can make glue out of this waste.
Glue? But how?
Let's go to chemistry lab. We will show you how to make glue out of this waste.
Let's go.
Maybe come in, ma'am. Come in. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, we need some natural gas, which is also known as petrol, and a 200 ml beaker. Okay. Here we take 30 ml of petrol in beaker and then put thermocol in it. See, thermocol starts to dissolve in it. Now separate the excess petrol. And residue left can be used as glue.
Oh wow! Thank you Didi for showing us this wonderful experiment.
Yes, this is science. Let me tell you how this happens. Petrol is a mixture of hydrocarbon with the formula CnH2n plus 2. Usually it has 8 molecules of carbon, so formula became C8H18. When petrol and thermocol mix together, generally there is no reaction, but thermocol starts to dissolve in it and became glue. In this way, we convert waste to wealth. This is Naik Soch and Naik Khoj, which is only taught at Pradesh Public International School of Sciences, Bani.